Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's project, we are going to be revamping our raised garden bed area. If you have been following, you saw our previous episode where we propagated all of our tomato plants. Our original tomato plants have since died, and we are going to be clearing those out and getting things ready. The other thing I wanted to show you before we get started on this project is our habanero plant. I had repotted our habanero plant to overwinter, and so he is doing really well. He's heavy, but we've been giving him water about one time a month and kind of moving him out into the sun for 2 to 3 hours a day. So he is doing quite well. I am so looking forward to repotting him and looking forward to another harvest of yummy habaneros. Well, I hope you guys will join us for this project, and let's get going. So as I started removing the dead branches from my cherry tomato plant, I felt I needed to try and save it. I removed as many stems as possible, leaving only the 2 main stems. As I mentioned in a previous video, I am planning to move all my tomato plants to a different part of the garden out of my raised garden bed area. I am hoping to get a head start on the tomato season by overwintering and propagating my tomato plants. We were able to get all our plants in the raised garden beds, and now everything is planted and ready for spring. I'm looking really forward to seeing this in a few months and sharing that with you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to please hit that like and subscribe button if you haven't already, and we hope to see you again on the next one. Bye!